Hello everyone, welcome back to the Rolling Moment, and we have a very special event today. Today I am at Cars and Coffee in Lynchburg. Tons of beautiful cars out here, quite a number of bikes as well, but let's take a look. All right, that was Lynchburg Cars and Coffee. A lot of fun, perfect timing, early in the morning, so it's not too hot. Huge turnout, lots of fun, lots of people everywhere, amazing cars, quite a number of imports from Europe and Japan, some right-hand drive vehicles as well, a lot of classic American vehicles, pickups, coupes, sedans, you name it, everything was here. It was fantastic. So keep an eye out, come out, and enjoy the fun. See you next time.